ever-changing equity markets are a battleground for the bear and the bull. Sometimes an investor needs to ride the bull and sometimes beat the bear. But how and when? That's the real question. We know that equity funds can help in wealth creation for achieving long-term financial goals. But how to optimize them to reach your goals? What if there is a fund that can adapt to the changing market conditions? A fund that could help you invest for all reasons. A fund that could wear different caps for different market seasons. Introducing Baroda BNP Paribas FLEXICAP Fund. An open-ended dynamic equity scheme investing across large-cap, mid-cap and small-cap companies with no limits on market cap allocations. This flexibility to seek opportunities across market caps helps the fund to capitalize on their growth potential as well as manage risks through diversification. It uses a top-down approach to select sectors and a bottom-up approach to identify attractive investment opportunities within them. The fund aims to invest in companies that have strong business and economic fundamentals, reputed management, and good long-term growth prospects. From new investors to seasoned ones, this fund is suited for everyone. In a market that's constantly changing, here is a fund for all reasons, a fund for all seasons. Invest in Baroda BNP Paribas FLEXICAP Fund, the all-in-one equity fund. New fund offer from 25th July to 5th August 2022. Contact your mutual fund distributor or financial advisor now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.